In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch CazéTV live on YouTube. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube app or navigate to the official website. In the search bar, type in CazéTV and search for it. Once the channel appears, click on it and navigate to the section of videos. This channel broadcasts major football competitions including World Cup matches and other sporting events directly on YouTube, making it easy for fans to watch the live coverage for free. You can navigate to the section of Live or check the Live tab to see current and upcoming broadcasts. Click on the live stream to start watching instantly. If no event is currently live, you can subscribe to the channel and enable notifications by clicking the bell icon so that YouTube alerts you whenever a new live stream begins. The channel also provides schedules, highlights, replays, and coverage of major football tournaments and other sports events. Keep in mind that some broadcasts may be restricted to viewers in certain countries due to broadcasting rights. If a stream is unavailable in your region, YouTube may display a message indicating that the content cannot be viewed from your location. CazéTV's primary platform is YouTube, where it regularly streams live sports content to millions of subscribers. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.